Welcome to Goose Creek, next to Charleston, South Carolina. Today I have for you guys a new rental. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. The 4th bedroom has been converted, so you have the 4th bedroom separate from the other 3 bedrooms. It's next to a cul-de-sac. It's a beautiful neighborhood, a lot of trees, a lot of vegetation, a lot of birds chirping, and it's very close to shopping, entertainment, main highways. This is one that is definitely have to come and see if you want to live in Goose Creek. Let's go take a look inside. You see you have a beautiful porch and a nice orange door, which, you know, it's lucky. Let's go take a look. Let's take a look at the inside of 6 Duck Pond in Goose Creek. You enter into the living room, beautiful floors, bright colors, and then you have your dining area and an open kitchen. Look at these countertops. Cabinets have been updated. Also, stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, microwave, electric stove. And you have close access to the laundry room and one of the converted bedrooms. So this is a large bedroom. Seems like it must have been a garage previously. Has a nice closet and a lot of light from the windows. Let's go back to the kitchen. It connects to the living room, dining area, kitchen, and also it has double doors to the backyard. I'll show you that in a minute, but let's go look at the bedrooms first. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This is bathroom number 1. It's a full bath. This is bedroom number 1. Good size, closet, everything. This is bedroom number 2. The bedrooms are carpeted and they're really good size. And the primary suite, also carpeted. And this one has a shower. This bathroom has also been updated, newer vanity. And the bedrooms have a lot of light, a lot of natural light. If you notice, the bedrooms have double windows. This one has one, but it's a big window, so you have a lot of light coming in. And then in the living room, you have those, basically the whole wall is covered in windows. I love this house. It feels so warm and welcoming. Let's go take a look at the backyard. Very spacious backyard. You have a beautiful tree. And bonus, look at that garage. That's actually accessible to the tenants. And you have a side gate here. I love it. You hear the birds chirping. If you like this rental, visit our website, happyhomespm.com, and schedule your showing. Let's get you into this beautiful home. And 6 Duck Pond in Goose Creek.